Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef, and today's video is gonna start off a bit. So let me tell you guys what's happening. Today we're supposed to fetch the guy who does my body work so he can come assist the damage in the engine bay. Yeah, because that's what we're gonna be doing today. Right now, I'm not in front of the car because it's loud that side. I already started working on the car. Yeah, I know. We're just supposed to be checking out the damage, right? But here we are, everything's started, and yeah, man. So I didn't get to introduce the car formally to you guys, see the before and after, but I'll make sure to do that. Don't worry, stick around. I'll make sure to do that for you guys. See everything from how it was in the beginning to how it is now. Guys, I'm back with an update. So we've just finished with the repairing. Okay, we didn't finish, but most of, I'd say 90% of the chassis leg has been repaired. It's about straight right now, but there's just this one small piece that will not pop back into place. So we decided we're gonna cut the battery tray. I was planning on doing a battery relocation anyway. So yeah, we're gonna cut the battery tray now and hopefully get that chassis leg back to hundreds. And yeah, I'm back with another update, guys. Yeah, man, sure, it was a long process, but we got the tray out. The dent is fixed 100%. We're about to start with the sanding and respraying of the engine bay. So yeah, man. Yeah. So it's the next morning now, and I'm gonna show you guys the work that was done on my car. Sorry for the sun, but yeah. So this is the work that has been done. The chassis leg is straight. Yeah, I'm happy about that. Engine bay respray. It's done in 2K white. Not the best of jobs. After all, we did it at home. So yeah, man, slowly but surely getting there. Some progress finally. It's been standing for a couple of weeks now with nothing done to it, but yeah, man. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Please do like and subscribe for more and better content in the future. See you on the next one. Bye.